This guide will walk you through the steps to how to create your account using BiblioAuthor. On your web browser, head to www.biblioauthor.com website. After landing on BiblioAuthor website, click on Sign Up. To be able to sign up and upload a book in one go, you need to add credits. Choose between Sprout Starter for single book upload or Multi-Sprout for a 3-book title for a discounted price for each. After reviewing your plan, click on Plant Seed. This will add credits to your cart and proceed with payment. You can view your cart, and after verifying, you can check out. If you have a coupon, you can choose the click here to enter your code option. Enter your coupon on this field. Select the option to apply coupon. Fill in the required form for your billing details. Once done, you can choose between GPay or Link for quick payment. Or you can also pay via credit card, debit card, or PayPal. Review everything before proceeding. Make sure all details are correct. Click to plant the seed to begin growing your success. You will be directed to a page instructing you to accept the confirming email. Once confirmed, you will have successfully created your account. Simply log in the future to access your dashboard. If you're having trouble, please email us at team@glassonandglobal.com to give you the support you need. Congratulations! You have now created your account in BiblioAuthor. Now it's time to put your book out there for the world to read. BiblioAuthor, powered by BiblioMax.